Thank you for joining our presentation about the Parts Plus Car Care Center program brought to you by Car Parts Warehouse. I'm John Wiesen, and we'll be discussing some of the benefits of the Gold program and the Platinum program. As a member of the Gold Car Care Center program, your customer will be covered nationwide for 2 years, 24,000 miles on all repairs you've done to their vehicle. The Platinum program offers a 3-year, 36,000-mile nationwide warranty. The Nationwide Protection Plus warranty also offers roadside assistance and towing up to $120 reimbursable to your customer, and it will cover a rental car for $50 a day for a 2-day max. If your customer is traveling and they break down and they're unable to bring their car back to your shop, they will call the warranty administrator. They will be referred to a shop in the area where that shop will be reimbursed by the Parts Plus warranty administrator to cover the cost of the repair, only covering parts and components that you originally worked on up to the amount that you originally charged your customer. This should be a peace of mind for your customer knowing that they're covered no matter where they travel throughout the United States. This slide gives you a little example of what would be covered. Let's say that you installed an alternator on your customer's vehicle, parts, labor, shop supplies, tax, etc. totaled $868.63. The shop that your customer is having the warranty repair done at would cover the cost of the alternator, labor, total charges up to the amount of $868.63. In addition, it would cover up to a $120 tow bill and up to $50 a day for a rental vehicle, 2-day max, so a total of $100 for a rental vehicle. Parts eligible for coverage would be HVAC systems, brake systems, CV axle and U-joints, transmission clutch components, engine cooling systems, electrical systems, management systems, emission controls, exhaust systems, fuel systems, hybrid drive battery replacement, ignition systems, starting and charging systems, steering and suspension systems, and other minor repair services. Repairs excluded from coverage would be complete engines, transmissions, drive axle, differential, tires and batteries, auto body, paint cosmetics, used or salvaged parts, sublet repairs, preventative maintenance such as fluid changes or flushes, vehicles with a GVW over 16,000 pounds, or any internally lubricated parts. Another example of what would not be covered under warranty is incidental or consequential damages. Example, you replace a water pump in a vehicle. After the repair, the timing belt breaks, which causes bent valves and an engine repair that now costs $3,600 to repair. Here's a little recap of the warranty process. The main function of the Roadside Assistance Program is to say thank you for your business. Your customer may qualify for up to $120 reimbursement. Customer must have an original service or repair of $20 or more performed on their vehicle at your shop. Customer registers at the consumer page or through the QR code within 30 days of original service. A certificate will immediately populate on the screen and in their email inbox. So what's covered under roadside assistance? Tows, jump starts, lockouts, flat tire assistance, and fuel service. Fuel itself is not covered. There are 4 ways for the customer to submit their towing bill: United States Postal Service, email, the website portal, or the QR code. That's $120 of value to your customer at no additional charge to you. For information on replacement car rental program and discounted rates for the banner shops, you can find additional information at partspluscarcare.com. Parts Plus Gold Car Care Centers receive 17 online courses through the Group Training Academy. You can purchase the All Access Pass for $199, which includes over 1,100 hours of online training. Upgrade to the All Access Pass for $199 and get access to over 1,100 hours of online training through the Group Training Academy. Gain access to the Diagnostic Network, a resource center for connecting professional technicians to enable successful repairs of complex vehicles through discussions with peers and education. As a Parts Plus Car Care Center, your technicians also receive reimbursement when they complete and pass their certifications and recertifications for ASE and MAX. Master Techs can enter to win an ASE Master Tech of the Year award. It includes a trip for two to the Automotive Service Excellence Awards ceremony, which includes airfare, hotel, $1,000 cash. To qualify, you must be employed by a Parts Plus Car Care Center. You must show current ASE Master Tech certifications, and the information must be submitted by May 15th, 2026. There are 12 $2,500 Automotive Career Path scholarships open to children and employees of member service centers. Parts Plus Car Care Centers also get $300 in marketing money to use towards materials for their shop. Just go to partspluscarcarecenter.com to redeem these funds for product that you need for your shop. As a Parts Plus Car Care Center, you are automatically listed on our nationwide shop locator. Here's a recap of what the Parts Plus Gold program includes: 2-year 24,000-mile nationwide warranty, roadside assistance, enterprise car rental discounts, the Group Training Academy, 17 classes included, 1 ASE test prep, Diagnostic Network basic membership, ASE test reimbursement up to $118 per test, ASE Master Tech of the Year award, scholarships, business services, $300 in marketing material allowance, and National Location Finder. Parts Plus Platinum members receive all of the same benefits as the Gold member, plus a 3-year 36,000-mile nationwide warranty, the Group Training Academy All Access Pass, which includes over 1,100 hours of online training, which is a $2,500 value. You receive 16 ASE test preps per user and 4 Mile 1 labor claims, which pays $75 an hour, 3 hours per claim, $225 max per claim. When signing as a Platinum member, you also get to select one of these two options. You can receive at no charge a Milwaukee, Autel, or No-Co tool valued up to $900, or you can choose 4 additional Mile 1 labor warranties. Enrollment kits will include counter cards, RSA brochures, spiral notepad, anti-fatigue mat, marketing booklet, warranty brochures, implementation sheet, the Group Training Academy offer, marketing materials, and instruction card. The following slides contain a list of add-on services that you can get for your shop at a discounted price. Thank you for watching. I hope you found value in this presentation and interest in joining our Parts Plus Car Care Center program. Have a great day.